Hello friends, this is Annette from Simply Panux. Thank you so much for joining me today in my explanation of the shop update that I have. I am finally opening the Etsy shop. It's been a long time, so thank you so much for your patience. I will be showing you the whole collection, and it is the house plants collection. That's why I have all my plantitas here with me. I wish I could do this all the time, but it won't have enough space for all my planner stuff in my planner sessions. But anyways, I will go ahead and start with the mini month tab. This was one of the best sellers in my Etsy shop. So I have a few changes, just so you're aware. The size has changed. The design is the same, but the size has changed. So this was the original size, and I am thinking of maybe bringing it out for the hobonichi cousin, but this was the original size, and this is the new size. There you can see the difference. And now let's go into the decorative stickers. We have the house plants, definitely an upgrade from the old house plants collection. I'm only coming out with one color. I feel like I was just complicating things with bringing out different tones, a warm, cool tone. I just have one neutral color, and I love how it turned out. I drew all of these, and they're all based on the houseplants I have at home. You can use it in your planners, journals, and the difference between these new stickers I came out with is that I do explain a little bit in my planning session in my previous video, but this is much easier to work with. Like, the stickers are thinner. The quality is the same. I'm hoping you think the same way, but the stickers are much easier to peel off and to use in any planner. That way it does not chunk up your planner that much by using this sticker paper. And I do have white matte available for now. I am working on getting you some clear matte stickers, but stay tuned for that. So there's the house plants. This is the stamps collection, and I put a little note, not real postage, just in case you need to know. And here you go, and they peel off like this. This is how they look like. I have yet to work with these in my planner. I have used them in my journals, but I have yet to use them in my planner, and I have an idea. I'm excited to be using that. Here are the washi strips, and I have a note here, fits hobonichi weeks. And by that, let me bring my planner here, and this is how they fit in the planner. I really don't mind the extra section there that needs to be filled out. If you guys want me to fix it, I can fix it, but I don't mind it, so I'm hoping you don't mind. So these are all the different ones, different designs in one sheet, and all sticker sheets will be at a reasonable price. These have more color in it, and they're more of the hand-drawn stickers, so they are just a tad bit pricier than the other ones. One of my favorite sticker sheets is this one, the planning sticker sheet, because it has Monday through Sunday. It has some dots here. I have the sticky notes, some of the decorative stickers. They are in a smaller size, so this will be in a bigger size, as you can see for reference there. And it has a journal words here, this washi strips, same size as the other washi strips. I didn't want to change this one. I have some stamps and a little bit of tags here. So with one sheet, you can use for one whole week or even more. I will bring out a video where I use it in my Hobonichi Weeks planner, so you get ideas on how to use these stickers. Continuing with the sticky notes. The sticky notes, I love using these to highlight any event I'm having, any little note to self. Again, I have a little note, fits Hobonichi Weeks, and then fits Hobonichi Cousin. And the way I've used this in the Hobonichi Weeks, I have in my monthly pages, there you can see how it fits in a monthly page inside the box, snug inside the box there. And then for a Hobonichi Cousin, weekly pages here, and I just used in my previous video in the weekly section here for the day. So as you can see, this is an idea of how I use my planner stickers that I came out with. So that way you can understand a little bit more on why I decided to make a note there. So you get a little bit of both. And then these are just tiny extra ones for the sticky notes. Now we have the weekdays. These weekdays, oh, I really like using these. They're just so easy to just stick on any planner, honestly, any journal, any bullet journal. If you don't like writing, if you don't really like your writing, these stickers are easy to use for weekly planning. And then I have the dots. I love these. They make it so easy to just all my to-do list. All my list, I can just add a little bullet and they're easy to write on. It won't smudge because it is matte. And you get extra little tags here. You get a lot of these little dots on the sticker sheet. Now we have journal days. Easy to use in your journals, in your planners. I do like using this in my hobonichi cousin for each individual day. So it just says day 1 and a little doodle. And then I added some blank ones. That way, just in case you need to write it a different day. I don't know, day 36 of my habit or anything. It just doesn't necessarily pertain to a specific month, which is why I designed these, because I want to use it throughout the year. So there's those. And then the months. Ooh, these are so cute. The months, you got January through December, and then some tags here. These are all in the same color, and I call it Oats, the Oats color. And then I have words, have date with myself, workout this week, rest, payday. I like these bottom ones, which is it's okay to not be okay. Just be yourself, learn to live slow, keep growing. So definitely in tune with the houseplant theme. Oh God, use your words. So here you go. That's the journaling words. And then I got more dots here, which apparently I wanted to show you more of the dots. Okay, it's the one. You have enough with the one. I am bringing out 2 die cuts with this collection. One with Still Growing, and that is me. I got the inspiration from a picture that my husband took of me at a greenhouse in Santa Barbara. And I don't know, it just brings great memories thinking of that day. And so I knew I had to make a sticker. And Still Growing, I like the journaling labeling here. And this is my pet Sasha. She's a husky, and this says Plantita's Life. So these are the 2 die cut stickers. I kept it on this folder because I will have a bundle of planning sticker sheets, and it will come with a little journal card, some extra little freebies here, and what's going to go in here are all the planning sticker sheets. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus the mini month tabs. So you're gonna have everything in one bundle, and it is already on my Etsy shop. You can go into the bundle section and find this bundle in here, but it fits just right in here, and you will get it like this. I will wrap it up all cutesy for you if you choose this bundle, and then in the back it just has our Simply Panux stamp. So that is the collection of the sticker sheets, and I'm going to show you also the new wallpapers and watch faces that I came out with. Well, I'll show you my watch faces. So I have this one, Be Kind. Let me go ahead and show you the other ones. I have this one, which is the lone flower there. And then I also have Slow Living. And it will be a set of the wallpaper along with the watch face. So it'll be a set that you can purchase together. And then Just Breathe. I love how they turned out, all in theme with the houseplant collection. And if you have any questions regarding this collection, please feel free to comment in the description box below. And if you are personally someone who doesn't like stickers, go ahead and share it with someone who does. If you know of someone who likes stickers in their planners and journals, or just likes to have a sticker collection, I appreciate that very much. So Thank you so much for your patience in this collection, for waiting for the Etsy shop to open. Thank you so much for your support. You have a great day. Bye-bye.